Hey family, so as you see we're at Walmart and I decided to take you guys with me today to see how cheap we can get a meal for a family of four, maybe possibly 4 or 5 days for under about $35–40. So let's go on in. I'm taking you guys in with me. Let's see what we can do. Alright, see you on the inside. Hey guys, so we're at Walmart and the first place I decided to go was the seafood. So because I am a pescatarian, which means I do not eat meat, our pricing is a little bit higher because we know that seafood costs more than poultry. So first what we're going to do is try to figure out what type of salmon to get, and let's look at the cost. So we here have some salmon. I'm going to figure out which one is the cheapest by weight. Actually looks like the one in my hand. So what we'll start with first is salmon. We got that's $7.15. So we'll get this. Hold on, let's check out our shrimp. So we're going to go with the extra large shrimp. They're $5.44 a bag. So we're going to get that. We're going to get extra large. Let's get 2 bags. We're using our money up pretty quickly, so now we need something to go with this. Vegetables, fruit, something else. So let's see where we're heading to next. So we made it to this aisle, the rice aisle. I figured we could put our rice with either the shrimp or the salmon. Let's go with brown rice. I like things instant, but I still want to be a little healthy. So I don't know, this brown rice is $2.28 and this one's $2.18, and because we're on a budget, let's go $2.18. I see they have great value for $1.52, but I don't know. They have very good plastic, but I don't know about food. So let's go with the rice. So moving over to the mashed potatoes. This is going to go with our salmon. So like I said, I like it quick, but it still has to be good. So let's go with roasted garlic for 92 cents. Yeah, let's do roasted garlic for 92 cents. Okay. We just made it to the vegetable aisle. We're gonna get our veggies. All right. Now, we can buy these steamable, but do not steam these. We're gonna put them on the stove. So this is 84 cents. Let's maybe get some broccoli. I like broccoli cuts. Let's maybe get 2 bags of these. Again, they were for 84 cents as well. And we just got some veggies. Alright guys, so just a quick recap. We're feeding a family of 4. So far we got about 3 nights. We've used about maybe almost $24. We have 2 nights of shrimp, 1 night of salmon, and each night we have vegetables and a starch. So we're going to move right along to see what else we're going to add, because I want to try to make at least 5 nights while we're here so I don't have to come back anytime soon. Alright, let's continue. So, if at any time your family decides that they don't have enough food during the week, salad is always a great mix to add in. It's $2.56, and we're going to go with the spinach and spring mix. Hey guys, so we're just getting back from Walmart. As you can see, we have enough food for about maybe 5 days. Everything came out to about almost $48, which means that's almost about $10 a day. So I think we did rather good. We have 5 nights worth of meals. So what I'll do is at the end of this video, I'll attach exactly what we're going to eat each night, and maybe this will give you somewhat of an idea of what you guys can eat. Again, We're pescatarians, therefore we do not eat meat. So sometimes buying seafood is a little more pricier than it is to buy poultry. As you can see, being a pescatarian doesn't exactly make you skinny. You know, I got a little bit of weight to lose here, but it's cool. So I got my budget goals together. Now I got to get my body goals together. So I'm hoping that this video helps each and every one of you. Please let me know. Leave your comments and your thoughts below. All right, I'll talk to all of you soon. Ciao now.